Hi guys, my name's Jade. Welcome to my channel. If you're new or if you are returning to my channel, then hello and welcome back to another video. That was cringe. So, another video, another month, another Degustabox. This one is, oh, I don't know, I say every month, oh, this box is my favourite, but guys, obviously I've had a peek and I don't know, I think this month is my favourite because it's got literally so many of my favourite things in here. So I'm so excited. So, if you don't know what Degustabox is, it's a monthly food subscription box and you get a variety of different treats every month, new products that are coming to the store and brands that you may never have heard of. Most things are like vegan, gluten-free. So yeah, so there's a whole bunch of variety of stuff and each month is a different theme. So last month, obviously it was October and it was Halloween theme. It was like a movie night. So this month's theme, guys, is festive and gourmet for November. So let's just get stuck into this video and let's unbox this month's Degustabox. So yes guys, so we have festive and gourmet and I'm telling you, oh, I'm so excited. Okay guys, so the first thing that I've pulled out, we have some hot chocolate. Now this is just like a little sample sachet, I think. So this is by a brand called Pips. It's real hot chocolate, it's £1. Please enjoy your sachet of zero trace full taste hot chocolate, new from Pips real hot chocolate, using cocoa that is ethically grown and traded along with unrefined marination sugar. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. It also contains no trace of any of 14 major allergens. So yeah, I love a hot chocolate. Perfect for this time of year. It's getting really cold now, so yeah, I am looking forward to trying that. Then we actually have, so there's a leaflet for this, which is new by Strings and Things, by Cheese Strings, obviously. So this is Winter Shapes, String and Things Winter Shapes. This is for £1.50. Obviously you don't get the pack in here. You just get a little voucher that you can rip off back and redeem a free pack. So you should receive a fully redeemable voucher in your box and it's available at all major retailers apart from Tesco. So this is String and Things introduces Winter Shapes as part of their Quirkies range, 100% real cheese pressed into festive winter shapes. Discover our cuddling penguins, gingerbread man and winking reindeer made to spark imagination. These obviously are perfect for children, like Harrison loves cheese and I just think these would be so cute, so they would be perfect. And yeah, fun games to chill out with. So each pack has a game on the back. Oh, that's cool. Then guys, next up, now I saw these and I have them already downstairs. So we have McVitie's Jaffa Cakes, but these are brand new. These are orange and cranberry. I saw these in Tesco when I did my weekly shop on last weekend and I had to pick them up because I was like, they look so good. Like, I love Jaffa Cakes and orange and cranberry just sound amazing. So yes, these are brand new guys. They're available in Co-op, Morrison's, Tesco, Asda and discounter stores. It says some just like Poundland, Home Bargain sort of thing. £1.20, a festive take on a much loved classic. The new orange and cranberry Jaffa Cakes are ready to take centre stage this Christmas. The original blend of dark crackling chocolate, light sponge and smashing orangey centre and enhanced with a warming cranberry flavour. And I have to say guys, these are delicious. I've literally ate half of the box already and I already have a replacement box. They're so nice. Like, if you do love a Jaffa Cake, they're not like, it's not like overpoweringly like cranberry. It's just, you can taste it but it's not like too intense, if you know what I mean. But they're really nice. They're so nice, like, honestly. So I'm excited. So new Jaffa Cakes. Then what do we have next? Okay, let's get these out together. So we have some Lindt Lindor chocolate bars, guys. Oh my god, literally I can see myself now. I'm gonna go and have a hot chocolate after I filmed this. I'm gonna have a chocolate bar with some Jaffa Cakes. Oh my god, literally loving life. So we have some Lindt Lindor chocolate bars. These are amazing. You can get them in the little like truffle balls, but these are bars, and we have an orange and a mint flavour. This is my favourite chocolate, like, oh my god. So yes, these are the Lindor treat bars, orange and mint. They're 85p, which is actually quite reasonable. I thought I would expect them to be at least over £1. Milk chocolate treat bar with smooth melting orange flavoured milk chocolate filling, and obviously the mint one has milk chocolate in the centre. A moment of bliss wherever you go. You should receive 2 items of these in your box, and available in major supermarket chains, so pretty much everywhere. Oh my god, I'm so excited to eat those. So yum. Lindt Lindor bars. Okay, and we have some more chocolate. Okay, so we have some more chocolate. Are these brand new? I don't know. Have they done these before? No, they haven't actually. That's a lie. So we have some Kit Kats. We have some Kit Kats. We have some Santa Kit Kats. You get a chocolate bar, so a little mini one, and a pouch bag. So the single Santa is 65p on its own, and for the minis, so you get 6 little mini individual ones in the packet, is £1. So get into the festive spirit and have Christmas break with the new Kit Kat Santa, Kit Kat milk chocolate with a rich chocolatey centre and crunchy wave of pieces. Treat yourself to the single Santa or spread the Christmas cheer with family. Spread the festive cheer, Christmas cheer with your family with a mini pouch. Probably, yeah, I'm probably going to eat them all myself, I'm not going to lie. I love a Kit Kat, and I'm pretty sure they did, was it last year? I'm pretty sure I remember last year they did reindeer ones of Kit Kat. So they've now got Santa Claus, so amazing. Love those. Harrison definitely will love those. So they're perfect to have a little snack in the evening and have a little treat. So yes, I'm so happy about that. So yeah, where does it say? It says you should receive 2 items in your box, available in all major supermarket chains. Yum. Okay, and this isn't chocolate. Oh, how soft are they? I've never ever seen this before. I'm pretty sure I've never seen this before. We have some plain brioche baguettes. I've seen brioche buns, so I've never seen a brioche baguette, I don't think. Now, James likes to have a brioche, like, sometime, you know, like, you can, in the last month box, actually it was, we got brioche buns for burgers, and they're really nice, but James Stranger will eat them with like cheese on, like as like a sandwich bun, which is quite weird because it's like a brioche. Never like really understood it, but I guess yeah, you can. So some brioche baguettes. Now I would probably eat them, but I think James probably more likely would eat them. So these are £1.50, so you get 4 in a pack. These soft and delicately sweet brioche baguettes melt in the mouth, reminiscent of the traditional taste of Vienne, ideal for breakfast or for delicious sandwiches. Breakfast, oh my god. Do you know what? Yeah, you could put on chocolate spread, or what else could you put on there? Just like, or jam maybe? Yeah, you could put jam on there. Amazing. Yum. So these are, it says, please note this is a fresh product, so to store you can pop it in your freezer if you want to save it a bit long life, but it's got a best before date of the 22nd of the 12th, so you've got pretty much a good month on that. And they are available at Tesco, on Milk and More, and Ocado. Ooh, exciting. What do we have next? Okay. Oh, we have, oh my goodness, have I tried these before? Guys, this box, oh my god, literally, I'm just gonna, I'm looking at it and I've already put on a stone, just looking inside the box. So, next up we have is it Daleman's Stroop Waffles. Stroop Waffles, mini caramel Stroop Waffles, £1.30. Bite into a delicious Stroop waffle and experience why this Dutch classic is now a worldwide favourite. Our minis are best enjoyed with friends, on the go, or with a nice warm cuppa. Oh my god, like dip it in your cup of tea. Ooh. Discover many more ways to enjoy Stroop Waffles experience and check out all on the website. So you can only get these guys in Sainsbury's and Ocado. Oh my god, what are we doing? What are you doing to me? Amazing. I want to try one. I'm going to try one. I'm not going to be shy. You know I like to try these things, show them to you. Oh my god, look at that. So it looks like that. I'm going to try it. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like, you know that cereal, it tastes like a bit like a cinnamon graham. Hey guys, so next up, oh my god, sorry, I'm still eating, that's so rude of me. Some pesto. This is by a brand called Zest. Suitable for vegans and vegetarians. This is a coriander and basil pesto with hazelnuts and cashew nuts. We love pesto. It's like literally our favourite thing. We have chicken pesto pasta like every week. It's like a staple dish in our house. So this retails for £2.20. This is a plant-based pesto with nothing to hide. We're proud of everything vegan. We only use the leaf of coriander and basil plants, and we use cashew nuts from the creamy flavour for that creamy flavour, sorry. It's gluten-free, it's dairy-free, so no need to read the back of the pack, and enjoy your zest life. Yes, amazing. Fantastic. So yeah, we've got a nice jar of pesto there. So the pesto is available to buy in Ocado, Morrison's, Amazon and independent stores throughout the UK. So yum. So next up we have some mustard, and this is by brand, is it Mal? Is it a silent I? Mal? Is it a silent I? Oh my god, I'm so dumb, I can't read. So yeah, we have some mustard. This is £1.99 and it's available in all supermarket chains. Try the original French Dijon mustard made with finely crushed brassica junca seeds. Oh my god, I can't read. It is an ideal accompaniment to red meat and a key ingredient for any French salad dressing. Oh my god, yes. Now I like mustard, but I'm not like a huge fan of it. But like, put it on meat, oh my god, yes. Like on my steak, ooh. Oh my god. Add a gourmet finishing touch to your dish by adding a spoonful of Maille Dijon mustard. Oh my goodness me. And yes, it's got a whole year on this baby, so I'm excited to try that. So yeah, perfect if you do like mustard, guys. We've got some mustard. So you should get 2 of these in your box, guys. We have some Kind bars. Love a good protein bar. We get these from pretty much every box and they're just really nice to snack on. And yeah, I just love these. So these are the Kind bars. You should get 2 items in your box, but I think there's 3 flavours. There's 3 flavours, but you only get 2 of them. So they have a protein double dark chocolate nut, which is this one here, and then they have a peanut butter dark chocolate, and I've got the caramel almond and sea salt. Yum, love. When it comes to snacking, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between delicious and nutritious, so we've brought them both together with recipes full of flavourful, high quality ingredients. So you can only buy these on kindsnacks.co.uk, it says. So yum, gluten free, high in fibre. This one is plant, got plant protein in there. So yeah, yum, guys. Like I say, I love these sorts of stuff. They're just perfect for snacks, and these sorts of things I just store in my handbag now. So the protein one, which is this one, is £1.99 and the small ones are £1.30. So next up, guys, we have, what is this? Clippety. We have some tea bags, but this is an organic advent calendar, £4.99. Doesn't tell me where you can buy it, but it just says it's £4.99. Enjoy 24 cups of Christmas cheer in our new advent calendar, filled with our best-selling organic tea and infusion flavours to try during the lead up to Christmas Day. A perfect alternative to the traditional advent calendar that you can share with your family and friends. Oh my god. I like want to open it just to have a look, but this looks... Oh, wait there. Gently press here. Okay. So you just rip it open and you basically just take out a tea bag. Number one. It doesn't tell you what it is though, which is quite interesting. So I'm guessing you obviously open the packet and it tell you what it is inside. You've got normal tea bags in there and like other stuff. So I'm going to put that back, but I'm excited for that. I actually might even use that as a Christmas countdown. 24 tea bags. Lovely. Did I tell you how much it cost? £4.99. So £4.99. It doesn't tell me where it's from, guys, but I'm guessing most supermarkets. So I've saved the best to last. Well, I feel like it's the best anyway, but we have some wine. Oh my god, wine, yay. I can't remember when was the last time we got an alcoholic drink. I don't think we got one last month. I think maybe the month after before that, I think we got like a cider, didn't we, or was it something like that. But we got it like in the summer, we got like a sparkling wine, I think. But we have some wine. So we have white wine and red wine by a brand called, is it Wolf Blass? Yeah, Wolf Blass. So we have yellow label Chardonnay and a Cabernet Sauvignon. I can never ever pronounce them. But these are £2.25 and what? How many mils are there? They're like bigger than a they're 187 mils, which is like normally I think wine like the minis to come, they're a bit smaller normally out there. I don't know in the supermarkets like other brands, but it just says these, you should receive 2 of these in your box and they're available in all major supermarket chains. It just says the heartland of Wolf Blass winemaking, Yellow Label has delivered exceptional quality for over 50 years, an outstanding range selected from the finest South Australian regions, Yellow Label wines and bright, fruit driven and full of flavour, pairing perfectly with food to help make any meal an occasion. So yeah, we have some wine, guys. Exciting. I love white wine. I'm not a huge fan of red, but I will drink it. Like, you know, I'll drink it. I'm not fussy. So that was everything in this month's box for November, November's Degustabox. I think this was definitely a good box. It's probably one of my favourites just because it's got so much chocolate, and chocolate is like my favourite thing, and I like wine, and I mean every month they are pretty much like the best because I just love food and I love eating and I love getting different boxes every month and a variety of different stuff, and I just think it's a really nice box. I just think it's a really nice subscription. So if you do want to get yourself a subscription box, make sure you do use my code because you can save yourself some money off your first box, guys. I will leave it in the description box down below, or I'll pop it on the screen here somewhere for you. But if you did enjoy this video, guys, make sure that you do give it a massive big thumbs up, and as ever, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, then why not subscribe, stick around. I do these boxes monthly and a whole bunch of different videos. Then stick around, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys soon.